Hey YouTube, how's everyone doing? Yakfish Taco here. Another gorgeous, beautiful day, another truck video. So it's been a while since I make an update video on my 21 Tacoma TRD Off Road, and I own it just over 3 years, and now it's approaching 50,000 miles. And in the next couple of videos, I will be doing transmission fluid change and also front and rear differential fluid change for you guys. So make sure you look forward to it, and they will be coming up really soon when I get under the truck. So right now 50,000 miles, and it's about time to get some new tires. And let me show you the current condition of the tires right now. So after 3 years, this vehicle has given me zero issues, other than just a little dirty and needs a car wash. It's been perfect. I have no complaint whatsoever. Now these are the original factory tires, the Goodyear Wrangler tires. You know, they're not the greatest and the best. They have okay tractions, and for off-road they're really just kind of so-so, you know. And if you look at the front, the tread looks sort of the minimal, and because I just did a rotation, so the front tire looks just adequate. But if you look at the back tires, now you can really see the treads on the outside is pretty much just gone. So it's gonna be not safe in rainy or, you know, any kind of adverse condition. So right now I'm heading over to my favorite local tire shop, Laufenn, to get a new set of tires. Now TRD Off Road, right? So you expect me to get some chunky, aggressive off-road terrain tires, maybe even bigger. But actually, to the exact opposite, I'm getting some very fuel efficient, highway rated tires, just kind of like the Tacoma Sports. The reason being that this is my daily driver, and with the gas price the way it is, I just want to save a few cents at the pump. And also I would like to get a little smoother rides or quieter rides, and but also not really compromising what I need to do on the off-road side. You know, something that's to give me adequate off-road capabilities, like, you know, mountain, gravel road, you know, just modest, you know, off-road conditions, and not anything like rock crawling or anything like that. And also I do go on the beach a lot on Oregon coast and Washington coast. Just get me onto the beach, you know, in the loose sand and things like that. So the set of tire that I'm getting are made by Laufenn. Is the X FIT HT, and for the installations, balance and all that stuff comes in just under $900. So hopefully it's gonna give me a lot smoother rides and better gas mileage. And so let's go and find out. All right, we're here, Laufenn. Okay, it's done. All right, looks nice. Let's go to a place a little quieter and then look at these tires in more details. And you know what? The actual cost is a little bit less than what I have quoted for. So $195 per tires, $780 for 4, and then with installations come to $855. Not bad, right? I like that. So I set the new tires that won't break your bank, and now let's go run it on the streets and on the freeway and see how quiet or how smooth it is. Let's go. Wow, it is just feels like night and days from those original Goodyear All Terrain Wrangler tires. I mean, this is so smooth just pulling out of the parking lot, and so quiet. This is so smooth. I like that. I mean, maybe it's a little bit due to my psychological reaction to a set of new tires, but it feels a lot more quieter and smoother. Yeah, I am happy. This is just nice ride. I mean, this is like highway rated, and it just feels so different than what it was. So let's pull into a parking lot and take a look at it in more detail, and then we'll go on the freeway and then try it out there. Okay, so we're at a quiet end of a big parking lot. Hopefully a little quieter for us to look at the tires. So this is Laufenn, or however you want to spell it, and this is the X FIT HT. Comes in the factory tire size, so I did not make it bigger, wider, or taller, just the original configuration. So look at the treads. So the treads are pretty deep, and then the treads are a lot less aggressive than the Goodyear Wrangler, a lot more smoother. Now you can see the middle, the treads in the middle here, the spacings are a lot less than the treads on the outer two sides, where they're spacing, chunkier spacing. So in the middle you get that smoother ride, and then you get the more sort of terrain tractions out of this bigger spacings. So it's a good kind of a combinations of, you know, terrains and tarmac pavement. And then on the outside you can still get some good grips from these big spacings, you know, when you're like out in the dirt road or gravel road, you know, when you're like doing a slow climb uphill. So that will give you that additional traction. So I think it's a good, you know, overall, you know, highway rated, and then also give you good capabilities in off-road. I think also for sand and that kind of, you know, spacings, it will also help with the sand. So let's go on the freeway and then give it a spin. All right, let's get on the freeway. So the road is a little bit wet today. And I'm doing about 35 here. Oh yeah, very confidence instilling. So the vehicle feels, you know, needs less effort to push it forward. It's definitely very smooth on the freeway, and I can definitely tell the difference in the road noise. And less bumpy too. after driven about 20 miles on the freeway, I'm getting about 21.7. So normally I get about 19 miles per gallon every day driving, highway and local combined, and then about 21 on the freeway, you know, just easy on the pedal. So right now, the fact that I'm getting a little bit more, I mean, I think it's a little too early to draw the conclusion on gas mileage saving, but at least I'm not getting less, so which is good. I mean, a little bit more, you know, helps too. So it's only 20 miles into this tires on the freeway, so you know, hey, I mean, if it's even like 0.1 miles more, then I'm happy. So 21.8 now. So this is actually pretty good. I'm pretty happy, and just feels so smooth on the freeway comparing to those you know, Wrangler tires. I mean, for the type of off-road, you know, the outdoor lifestyle that I have, and then the amount of, you know, everyday driving I do in the city, so it seems like these tires actually make sense for me and what I use this vehicle for. I'll definitely take it out to, say, the mountain to go skiing in the snow, and then also onto the beach in the sand, and kind of give you guys a little bit more feedback on this tire's performance. But so far I'm just definitely happy about this. And yeah, so hopefully you guys can check back with me on this Tacoma. Like I say, it's 50,000 miles, 3 years now, and now the next video I'll be doing will be transmission fluid change, and then also front and rear differential fluid change, and maybe even like brake fluid change as well. So yeah, make sure you guys check back, and then I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Wow, 22.2. The goods keeps getting better. Amazing.